lot has reportedly spoken to health officials in Maine about the Ocean State not being exempt from a quarantine and coronavirus testing travel policy. Governor Gina Raimondo says Maine should be updating their list next week. The endoscopy unit at 10 hospitals temporarily closed. A Here New England spokesperson says the unit will be closed for 14 days due to potential exposure to the coronavirus. And a new fishing pier opened in Warwick. The approximately $2 million wooden pier at Rocky Point State Park was opened on Wednesday. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
Friday we'll see a blend of sun and clouds. There's even a slight chance of an afternoon shower. Look for a high of 79. For tonight, mostly cloudy, chance of showers with a low of 64. And for Saturday, early patchy fog giving way to a blend of sun and clouds. The day will be dry but cooler with a high of 77. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Kelly Bates on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
This report is sponsored by ExpressPros.com.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic. Looking at a crash this afternoon, 95 southbound at 117. It's blocking the left shoulder, but at least all travel lanes are open to get by. But we also have a medical emergency. Disabled car, left lane is taken on 146 northbound, right at Branch Ave. I'm Dan on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Looking for an easier way to find your next job? It's time to get to know Express Employment Professionals. Visit ExpressPros.com to find one of over 830 locations to help support your workforce needs.